As a society, we are facing something called sitting disease. From our bed, we go straight to the toilet. From the toilet, we go straight to sitting on our dining table and having our breakfast. From there, we go straight to our car where we sit. We spend the whole day sitting at an office desk, working all day. After we get home, we sit on a couch, watch TV, and then we ride ourselves back into bed. One of the laws of nature, a body in motion stays alive, and a body which is always stationary starts to decompose. So the habit that we speak of is called celebrate movement. It's not exercise every day. To have the ability to move our bodies is not an obligation, it's not a punishment. It's a celebration of our body's aliveness. Not just for the body, but also for the mind. Because जब हम body को रोज move करते हैं, our body secretes happy hormones like dopamine, serotonin, adrenaline. There was another very interesting study at the University of Vermont. They found out students who were moving their bodies were suiciding much less compared to those who were not.